गुड मॉर्निंग सर जी। आप म्यूट है, म्यूट है।
मैम।
हाँ, कैसी है? म्यूट है, आप म्यूट है, म्यूट है।
हाथ में दर्द है।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
कौन सा हाथ में?
टेस्ट हुआ है ये।
अच्छा।
लेफ्ट वाला। तो
ओ,
इसमें मतलब ये निकला है, ट्यूमर है। तो
अच्छा
एफएनसी टेस्ट हुआ है, तो कल रिपोर्ट आएगा मैम।
अच्छा अच्छा।
जी।
तो आप टेंशन में हैं?
जी।
ज्यादा टेंशन मत लीजिए, ठीक हो जाएगा। खुश रहेंगे तो रिजल्ट भी अच्छा आएगा।
जी।
टेंशन लेने
इसीलिए
से
मैम।
खतरनाक रिजल्ट आएगा। आप क्या चाहती है?
नहीं नहीं, मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि रिपोर्ट सही आए।
हाँ, तो आप
और वैसे
अंदर से खुश रहिए, फिर अरे कुछ नहीं होगा
हाँ।
ऐसे करके,
हाँ
ठीक है।
मैम। और डॉक्टर भी बोले हैं कि आपका लग रहा है कि अच्छा रिपोर्ट आएगा, क्योंकि ये लग रहा है अचानक कहीं चोट लगी थी,
हम्म।
उससे हो गया है।
अच्छा
अब कब लगी तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है। अब कल रिपोर्ट आ जाने से रिलैक्स होगा मैम। ये 4-5 महीने से दर्द हो रहा था। मैं डॉक्टर बहुत दिखाई, लोग बोले फ्रोजन शोल्डर है, उसका दवा कराए, फिजियोथेरापी। मतलब बहुत दिन से, नवंबर से मतलब ये हाथ लेके ये है, इसीलिए इस तरफ से मैं ये नहीं कर पाती हूँ, तकिया रख के करती हूँ। तो हाथ नीचे रख रही हूँ तो दर्द हो रहा
अच्छा।
है।
अभी तो खैर कल रिजल्ट आएगा तो पता चल जाएगा ट्यूमर का क्या करना है
जी
ना?
मैम, यहाँ से लेके यहीं तक है दर्द, यहाँ से आर्म का यहाँ से।
ओके
और यहीं पे है ये चीज।
ओके। ठीक है ठीक है। और
ठीक
इसका
है।
मतलब अच्छे से कीजिएगा, ध्यान से कीजिएगा, जैसे आप कर रहे
ठीक।
हैं ना हाथ पे तकिया लगा के, वैसे ही।
ठीक ठीक है।
नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सिट
नमस्ते
कंफर्टेबली।
मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग। नमस्ते मैम।
जी जी, गुड मॉर्निंग नीलम जी, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
नमस्ते।
Keep your eyes closed. Touch the tip of your index finger with the tip of the thumb. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. With this inhalation, let us chant Omkara 3 times. Om. Join your palms together. Let us chant opening prayer. Om Sehna Vavatu. Sehna Bhunaktu. सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Slowly rub your palms. Great heat. Cover your eyes. Think through the gaps of the finger. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Diyaji, do you want to take warm-ups? Okay, okay. She is also a trainer, very good trainer. Let us do some change today, okay?
Am I visible? Am I visible to all?
Yes, you are visible.
But I'm not able to. Yeah. Suprabhatam to everybody. Let's start warm-ups. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers. Inhale up. Deep inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Deep inhale up and stretch up. Give a good stretch up. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Stop the practice. Place your hand to your shoulder level. Let's bounce downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop your hands down. Let's do neck rotation. Slowly tilt your neck to your right side. Very slow. Neck is very delicate. You should take care of your neck. Right side. Slowly towards your left side. Right side. Left side. Once more. Right. Go as slow as you can go. Don't do very fast. Neck is very delicate. You need to take care of your neck. Slowly we'll change backward and forward. Very slow, back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Slowly we'll do rotation, right, back, left, forward. Second round, left, forward, right, back, left and forward, right, back, left and forward. Slowly let's do anti-clockwise, left, back and right and forward. Very slow, neck is very delicate, go very slow. Second round and the last round. Left, back, right and front. Slowly stop the practice. Stop the practice. Now from here, slowly bend towards your right side. Bend towards your right side. Yeah. If possible, try to lean and keep your elbow on the floor. Elbow on the floor. Don't raise your left knee. Yeah. Try to keep your left knee on the floor itself. Slowly raise your left hand. Give a good stretch. Look up. Don't lean forward. Look up. Look up. Give a good stretch to your sideways. Keep your hands straight. Keep your hands straight. Neelamji, keep your hands straight. Yeah. And slowly try to push, push, push. Lean towards your right side. Lean towards your right side and give a good stretch to your sideways. Slowly come back. We'll shift to the other side. Keep your hand down. Try to touch your elbow if possible. If not, you can keep straight also. No issue. Yeah. And keep your shoulders open. Let your shoulders open and your armpit open. Yeah. Look up, look up. Open your open shoulders. Yes. Keep your hands straight. Give a good stretch to your sideways. Look up. Yes. Once more. Let's do once more. Other side. Look up. Try to keep your elbow straight. Hands straight. Come back. Position here. To the other side. Slowly come back. Relax, relax. Interlock your fingers. Slowly raise up. Yeah. Let's do rotation. Left, forward, right, go back, left. We'll do 10 rounds each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. Back. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. It even activate your Muladhara chakra. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to the position and relax. Keep your hands down. Slowly come and sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana.
I can't see you. So lower.
Some people have knee pain also.
Sit in Vajrasana. Let's zoom out.
Okay,
Inhale, raise your hands
those who
up.
cannot sit in Vajrasana, they can just open your legs. Okay.
Yeah, please
Some people,
help me.
yes. Because some
Yeah.
people have knee pain.
Inhale up and exhale towards the Shishankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Yeah. On your knees. On your knees. Sitting on your knees. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Last round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Relax, relax, relax. Let's do standing warm-ups little. You can stand on your toes. Stand in Tadasana. There's some wrong setting in my Zoom. It zooms in. Stand in Tadasana. Feet together. Roll your shoulders back. Spine erect. Chin up. Priyanka, you can show my position, no? Let's do jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop the practice. One more round of 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slow jogging. Twist your waist nicely. Nicely breathe, breathe, breathe. Fast jogging. Fast jogging. Relax, relax, relax. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Slowly raise your right leg up. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Stop the practice. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. Let's chant O and Makara sound with the closed eyes. Inhale. Inhale. Come in front of your mat. We'll start Surya Namaskara now. Done. Over to you, Priyanka ji.
Thank you. Let's stand up at the top of the mat. As most of you have knee pain, I will just do those variations, those you will be able to do easily. Okay. Let us do first Surya Namaskara A variation. Okay. We will do repetitions. Okay. So that you all can do. Namaste. Inhale, Hastasana. Stretch your body. Stretch, stretch. And stretch. Again, come to Samasthiti. Just Hastasana. Just Hastasana. Inhale. Stretch your body up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch, look back as much as you can. And then Samasthiti. अच्छे से आना है आसन जैसा ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसे आके ठीक है नमस्ते हस्तोत्थानासना look up exhale samasthiti 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 again last round inhale hastottanasana Sharalji now exhale go down Padhastasana bend forward inhale hastottanasana Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Everybody. Exhale, Padhastasana. With the breath, feel the flow. Inhale, Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. In Padhastasana, hold the elbows and bend. Try to feel the stretch at the back of your knees. Hold and up and down. Push your body up and down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will feel the stretch at the back of your leg, back of your knees. 9, 10. Again, keep your palms at the sides. Keep your palms at the sides. अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then just you bend your knees, and then keep the palm at your sides. Okay. Look forward and slowly walk. Walk and stay wherever you are comfortable. Try to do the plank. If you're not able to do, you can put your knees on the mat. Okay. Or if you can, just hold and then walk back. Walk forward. Keep your knees bended if it is hurting. Walk forward and walk back. 1. आपको घुटनों में दर्द है तो भी आप जो सूर्य नमस्कार के आसन है वो कर सकते हो आप, और इससे भी आपका वेट कम होगा. वॉक फॉरवर्ड एंड वॉक बैक. वेरी गुड. कम ऑन, वॉक बैक, वॉक फॉरवर्ड, वॉक बैक, वॉक फॉरवर्ड, वॉक बैक एंड लाई डाउन ऑन द फ्रंट साइड ऑफ द मैट. ये कोई भी कर सकता है. ओके. इफ यू आर 60 years old, any age can do. Okay. Now lift your spine up, look forward. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Look forward. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. With the breath, try to synchronize. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to synchronize with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more times. Do on your own. Look forward. Look forward. Inhale. Focus on the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax in child. Relax in child. Now tuck your toe. Come to downward dog. Come to downward dog. अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे, you can bend your knees, okay? And then walk forward, walk back. Again, walk forward, walk back. Walk forward, walk back. Last round, walk forward and hold the elbows. Hold the elbows. Just hold and see that with the gravity you are going down. With each exhalation, you are not forcing yourself, just with gravity. After each exhalation, you are going down and down. You can keep your knees bended if you are not comfortable. आप अपने knee को मोड़ के रख सकते हो अगर आप comfortable नहीं हो तो. Just hold your elbows. Now keep your palms on the mat. Look forward. सामने देखिए. Inhale, stretch up. Hasuttanasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Hand to the sides. Okay. नीलम जी कुछ परेशानी हुई क्या?
नहीं ठीक है,
कर पाए ना
ठीक
आप?
है, बिल्कुल मैम।
अब आप चेयर पे नहीं कीजिएगा, अब आप उस पे मैट पे कीजिएगा. ओके. Again, inhale, hands from the sides. Look up. Exhale, hands down. Hands down. Inhale, hands up. First, be comfortable with all the postures and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your hands. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward. Bend forward. You can bend your knees, hold your elbows. Try to do go down. Bend forward. You can bend your knees. Knee को bend कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now put your hands on the mat and walk back. Straighten your body. Yes. Now put your right leg forward. अगर आपके नी में पेन हो तो आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, तो ऐसे भी करके just keep your hands little up, or you can just place your hands down. Okay. Look forward. Look forward. As a Sanchalanasana, look forward. Yes. Stay. 1, 2. ये नी गायत्री, ये नी सीधा रहेगा. Front knee, hand or knee, it will be one line. Look forward. Very good. Keep your knees down. Back knee, अब नीचे कीजिए बीच पीछे वाले knee को. Very good. Look forward. Now tuck your toes. Bring your leg little back. And now put your knees first. And you can lie down. Okay? You can just simply come on the mat. Lie down. Inhale, look forward. Lift your head up. Look forward, yes. Exhale, go down. Again, tuck your back toe. Come to mountain. और डाउनवर्ड डॉग पोज. अधोमुख श्वासना, पहाड़ जैसा बन जाएगी. वेरी गुड. Now bring your left leg forward. Look forward. Left leg forward. Forward. You can keep your knee down if you're not comfortable. पीछे वाला knee को आप नीचे रख सकते हो अगर आप comfortable नहीं हो. Look forward. Very good. Now slowly bring the other leg also to the forward. Head down. Inhale. Slowly stretch up. Exhale, Samasthiti. अब हम लोग ना जो लेट की करते हैं उसको रिपीटेशंस में करेंगे. ओके. ताकि आपको बार बार उठना बैठना नहीं पड़े. नी पेन में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है? उठने और बैठने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जो खड़े होने वाले हैं उसको एक साथ करेंगे, जो बैठ के करने वाले हैं उसको एक साथ, जो लेट के करने वाले हैं उसको एक साथ, ताकि बार बार प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो. ठीक है. अब हम लोग खड़े नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ बैठ के करने वाले करेंगे थोड़ी देर तक. नमस्ते. Inhale, Hastasana. Breathe, let's stretch at your back. Exhale. Bend forward. You can bend your knees. If you have knee pain, you can bend your knees. Slowly walk back. Slowly walk back. Come to plank. Come to plank. Place your knee down slowly. Chest down, chin down. If you cannot do, you can just lie down. Inhale, cobra. Very good. Exhale. Again, come to mountain. Mountain. पुश योर शोल्डर्स फॉरवर्ड, पुश योर शोल्डर्स, अपने शोल्डर्स को आगे पुश कीजिए। देखिए आप प्लैंक में आ जाओगे। Then again try to push your hip back. Push your hip back, you will come to downward dog. Now push your shoulders forward, you will come to plank. See this variation, yes. Push your hip back. हिप को पीछे कीजिए, ऊपर उठाकर आप आ जाओगे अधोमुखा में। नीलम जी एक स्टेप आगे आइए, आप एक स्टेप आगे आइए। हाँ। Sorry. Now push your shoulders forward, come to plank. Yes. Now relaxing for a while, relaxing child. Again come to downward dog. Come to downward dog. पर्वत बन जाइए, like a mountain. Now bring your right leg forward. I know it is difficult in bringing, but try to bring it forward. Place the back knee down and hold it. Yes. Hold. Look forward. Now place, switch your hands like this. Place your hands up. Asana. Look up. Exhale, hands down. Come to downward dog. Left leg forward. Left leg forward. Just be here. Feel the stretch. Look forward. Very good. Slowly lift your hand up. हाथ को रिलैक्स कीजिए, हाथ को रिलैक्स। lie down on your belly. Lie down on your belly. पेट के बल लेट जाइए, पेट के बल लेट जाइए। Now lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. अपने जो है बैक और मैट, you have to pull your pelvic area up so that your back goes down. इसको आप अप करोगे तो ये पीछे चला जाएगा, एंड देयर द गैप, जो गैप है पीछे वो कम हो जाएगा, तो आपका जो ये पूरा पोर्शन है पेट का उस पर प्रेशर आएगा एंड इट विल बी इलोंगेटेड. फील दैट स्ट्रेच. नी को थोड़ा दूर रखो हिप से. वेरी गुड. नाउ stretch your hands to the back, stretch your hand back. Exhale, bring it forward and try to come up. Try to come up as much as you can to shoulder. Inhale, hands back. Exhale, hands forward. Try to lift your shoulder. Inhale, hands back. Pull your belly. अपने पेट को भी खींचिए. जब आप हाथ को पीछे करो ना, you pull your belly also. Exhale, come up. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. You can exhale with your mouth. If you're not able to exhale from the nose, since your belly is tight, exhale from the mouth. अब जो कर सकते हो, you can hold your thighs and you can come up. और जो नहीं कर सकते, you can hold your mat and try to slowly come up. धीरे धीरे ऊपर आने की कोशिश कीजिए. रोल अप. जिनके लिए इजी है बिना हैंड के सपोर्ट के आप आइए. Inhale, lie back, lie down back. नीलम जी आप मैट को पकड़िए जोर से और धीरे धीरे कोशिश कीजिए ऊपर आने के लिए. ठीक है, आप लोगों को कोर स्ट्रेंथ बनाने की बहुत जरूरत है. वेरी गुड दिया. हाँ, Gayatri, you can do. Okay, you can come up, come to the sitting posture. Hold the thigh and slowly come up. Thigh को पकड़ के आप आ जाओ ऊपर. Yes. हाँ, स्लोली रोल बैक। और जब रोल बैक करेंगे तो भी धीरे धीरे, अचानक से नहीं होना चाहिए। इस इंच बाय इंच योर बैक शुड गो डाउन, नॉट बाय ग्रेविटी बट विथ योर एफर्ट्स इट शुड गो डाउन। ओके, 10 टाइम्स कीजिए आप, कोशिश कीजिए। दिस इज वेरी गुड टू इंक्रीज योर कोर स्ट्रेंथ। हाँ, धीरे
नहीं उठ
सपोर्ट के साथ करोगे देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट विदाउट सपोर्ट ऑल्सो।
मैडम नहीं उठ पा रहे हैं।
क्या क्या नहीं हो पा रहा है नीलम जी? आप
नहीं
मैट
मैम।
को पकड़ के कीजिए, ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा आपसे अभी। आप मैट को जोर से पकड़िए, एल्बो की मदद से ऊपर उठिए, एल्बो को पुश कीजिए, हेड को ऊपर उठाइए एल्बो की मदद से।
नहीं
नहीं हो पा रहा है?
नहीं।
अच्छा, तो आप जो है ना अपने लेग को और एलिवेट कीजिए, इधर देखिए। अगर कोई चेयर या कुछ है उसके ऊपर पैर रखिए, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू। हम्म, पैर को ऊपर रखिए, हाँ। हाँ, आप कोशिश कीजिए पकड़ के उठने की। हाँ, आराम से उठिए, एल्बो की मदद से, हाथ की मदद से, कैसे भी, लेकिन उठिए आप। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, वेरी गुड, थोड़ा सा और, थोड़ा सा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, उठ गए ना? तो आप 3 बार और कीजिए आप। ठीक है। हाँ, दिया, you are very good at this, so you can open your leg, open and your leg and try, stretch your arms and just try to go up. Okay, yes, straighten leg straight. Yes, 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 very good, you have good core strength. Straighten your leg, do not bend your knees, straighten your leg, Diya. Yes, yes। जब बेबी के बाद जो ऑपरेशन होता है ना, तो मुझे बोला गया था ये वाला करने के लिए। सो दिस इंक्रीजेस द कोर स्ट्रेंथ, एंड जो भी पेट में जो मसल्स जो लूज होती है उसको टाइट करता है ये। और आपकी पेट की मसल्स एब्स मजबूत होंगे तो आपको बैक में कभी पेन नहीं होगा। हाँ शैल जी, वेरी गुड। आप तो एक हाथ से भी कर पा रहे हो। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। रिलैक्स, 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 रिलैक्स ऑन योर बैक। Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we will do the hundreds. Okay. Again, push your belly in so that there is no gap. आपको बेली को इस तरह से पुश करना, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द टेबल टॉप। ओके, मेरे 2 पैर, एक पैर लग रहा है ना, उसी तरह से आपको पैर की पोजीशन रखनी है कि 2 पैर एक लाइन में हो। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट पुशिंग विथ योर हैंड एज इफ यू आर पुशिंग सम बॉल। ओके, दिस इज फॉर द बिगिनर्स। ओके, अगर आगे की स्टेज आप नहीं कर पाओ तो दिस इज ऑल्सो ओके। Now, those who can straighten their leg, you can straighten your legs. Otherwise, you can keep it bended. Okay? Yeah, you can just put your leg in 45 degree and lift your neck up and do it. Very good. Others, you can keep your knees bended. Try to lift your neck little. Try to lift your head little and do it. If this is challenging for you, you can keep your neck on the mat. Take a quick thing, you can lift up, do, and then relax. Okay, as much as you can do it with a lifted leg. अपने neck को उठा के कीजिए जब तक आप comfortable हो, then after that relax. Lift your neck, do it. Relax, relax completely. Now, keep your leg in tabletop, single leg raises. Stretch your one leg, hold the knee of the other leg. Lift your neck up. Okay? Lift your neck up and switch it. Good. Relax. Come to the sides. कल जो हमने किया था उसको रिवाइज करेंगे थोड़ा। आपकी जो है, जो ये वाली मसल है थाइस की और कमर की, उसको कम करने के लिए आप शैल जी, आप ऐसे बस लेट सकते हो। ओके? आपके हाथ में दर्द है, यू कैन जस्ट लाई डाउन ऑन द पिलो ऑल्सो। अदर्स जो इंटरमीडिएट हो, दे कैन पुट योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, और एडवांस्ड पुट योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस। ओके? अपने पैर के बीच में गैप रखिए, जितना हिप का विड्थ है उतना ही गैप रखिए। Now lift it up and down. Try to not to move your upper body. Tight your belly. पेट को टाइट करके पैर को ऊपर नीचे करना है 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your legs pointed. You can put your hands like this or like this. 8. आज इजीली आ रहा है ना कल से ज्यादा? 9, 10. लेग्स को दूर रखना है, पैर गैप रखना है. And try to make circles, hip circles. 1, 2. स्लोली, आपको फास्ट नहीं करना है, स्लोली, सो दैट आपकी जो अपर बॉडी है वो स्ट्रेट रहेगी, वो मूव नहीं करेगी. एंड जस्ट मूव योर लेग्स इन सर्कल्स. अपर बॉडी विल बी स्ट्रेट. ओके? आप जितना बड़ा सर्कल बनाओगे उतना मुश्किल होगा आपको अपर बॉडी को स्टेबल रखने के लिए. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. टच नहीं करना है नीचे वाले पैर को. 2, 1. Now rainbow. Tap it forward. Bring it back. Tap back. Bring it forward. Tap it outside. Make the rainbow. Tap it back. Forward tap. Backward tap. Forward tap. आज तो संडे के बाद छुट्टी है तो मैं आज थोड़ा ज्यादा करवा दूंगी, तो मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वीक में आप लोग अगेन ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. ठीक है? तब तक आपका दर्द ठीक हो जाएगा. बैक, फॉरवर्ड, बैक. वेरी गुड. कंटिन्यू. फॉरवर्ड टैप, बैकवर्ड टैप. आज जो पेन हो रहा है दैट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर योर फ्यूचर. वो आपको मसल्स इंप्रूव करेगी. सो कीप स्माइलिंग एंड कीप डूइंग दैट. फॉरवर्ड टैप, बैकवर्ड टैप, फॉरवर्ड टैप, बैकवर्ड टैप. अगेन नीज को नीचे, लेग को नीचे नहीं रखना है, और नीचे वाले पैर को भी ऊपर उठा के रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap with the legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. To the other side. In the side. You can shake your legs if it is paining, but it will improve the strength of the legs. Keep, keep the leg hip width apart. पेट को टाइट रखिए. Try not to move your upper body. Okay, you can keep your hands like this. Keep your legs apart. Up and down movement. 1. Keep the legs pointed. देखिए, this is flexion, this is pointed. Keep your toes pointed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our own body is our own gym. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Now start making hip circles without moving the upper body. 1. Make small circles. 2, 3, आपको अपर बॉडी पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट कीजिए कि वो स्टेबल है या नहीं. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax for a while. Relax. Relax for a while. Again. कुछ बोल रही है क्या? Okay. Tap. Lift your other leg also up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tap with the lower leg. 1, 2. You can clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. रेनबो हमने नहीं बनाया. Tap forward. Make the rainbow. Tap back. Okay. Tap to the forward. Tap to the back. Forward. Back. 3 more times. Forward. Upper body को move नहीं करनी है. Keep your upper body stable. Keep your core tight. Then only you will be able to keep your body stable. 2 more times. 1, 2. Very good. Relax on your back. Relax on your back. Hold your knees. Hold your knees. अब जो है जिनके घुटने में ज्यादा दर्द है, okay, they can hold their back and try to lift your hip up. Try to lift your hip up. अपने अपने हाथों से सपोर्ट कीजिए अपने हिप को और लिफ्ट कीजिए ग्लूट्स को ऊपर. यस. एंड नाउ ट्राई टू लिफ्ट द एंकल ऑफ वन लेग. राइट लेग. 1. एंकल को उठाइए. टोज पे रहिए. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1. Lift your ankle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your back. Relax your back. Again, we will do this time. Lift both the ankles. Okay. Lift your hip up. Lift your hip up. Look forward. Look up. Do not look at the camera. Look up. And try to lift your ankles. Do not look at the camera. Look up. Or you can just hold. If you're not able to lift your ankles, you can just hold. Or you can lift your ankles up for 10 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your back. Relax your back. Last round. You have to lift your hip up. Lift your hip up. Hold your waist. Hold your waist. Lift. जितना आप हो सकते ऊपर उठाइए. And just stay. Stay for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax your legs. Hug your knees. You can hug your knees. Just relax. Roll left and right. Roll to the left and roll to the right. Left, to the right and left. Okay. Relax. Hello. Okay. Now lift your leg to the 90 degree. 90 degree. And start rotating it. 1. छोटा सर्कल बनाने ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं. Keep your upper body straight. Okay, just leg. 2, दिस इज वेरी रिलैक्सिंग। आप अपने हाथों को देखिए, अपने हाथों को अपने बैक के नीचे रखोगे तो आपको इजी होगा। इस तरह से ट्रायंगल बनाना है, ओके। आपने और उस पर लेट जाना, जब हिप्स के पीछे ऐसे रख के आप इजीली फिर अपने हिप को उठा पाओगे। यू फील दैट इट इज इजी। 1 2 3 4 5 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। 1 2 3 4 5। रिलैक्स। अब इसमें एक ट्विस्ट है, आपको एक राउंड क्लॉकवाइज करना है, ओके। एक राउंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज करना है, उसके बाद हिप को उठाना है, ओके। फिर एक राउंड क्लॉकवाइज घुमाना है, एक राउंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड देन लिफ्ट, ओके। चलिए, 1 राउंड क्लॉकवाइज, 1 राउंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, देन लिफ्ट। 1 राउंड क्लॉकवाइज, 1 राउंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, then lift. 1 round clockwise, 1 round anti-clockwise, then lift. 1 round clockwise, 1 round anti-clockwise, lift. 2 more counts. 1 round clockwise, 1 round anti-clockwise, lift. Last round. 1 round clockwise, 1 round anti-clockwise, lift and relax. Relax. This was corkscrew. Now again, straighten your hand, stretch. Again, try to roll up. This time it will be easy. Okay. Try to roll up. Roll up. आप अपने हैंड का सपोर्ट ले सकते हो। You can catch the mat and come up. जो भी हो, आप सपोर्ट से उठ सकते हो। Yes. देखिए नीलम जी, हो गया ना?
जी।
पहले आप नहीं उठ पा रहे थे, अभी हो गया। Again, stretch your hand. Again, try to come up. अब पीठ को कोशिश करना धीरे धीरे पीछे रखिए। Yes. Stretch and roll up. स्ट्रेच धीरे धीरे पीठ को नीचे रखना है, फिर मैट पे इंच बाय इंच, हैंड्स टू द बैक। अगर आप करोगे तभी होगा, ओके। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। 2 more rounds. अगेन कम अप। आप पैर को पकड़ के उठ सकते हो, आप एल्बो की मदद से उठ सकते हो। अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो बट ट्राई, आपको ट्राई करना। आप इस तरह से भी उठ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन आप उठिए, आपकी पेट की मसल्स मजबूत होगी। वेरी गुड। लास्ट राउंड, कम अप, रोल अप and come back. Relax, relax, relax. Relax. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Lie down, lie down. Gayatri, lie down in Shavasana. Okay, lie down in Shavasana. मैं उठ के बस इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रही हूँ. You have to lie down on the mat. Now touch your belly. अपने पेट को टच कीजिए. And inhale and feel that your belly is rising up. Exhale and belly is going down. Inhale, belly is going up. Exhale, belly is going down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This is called abdomen breathing. Exhale. जब हम छोटे थे, then we used to do, जो नया बच्चा जो born होता है, they do abdominal breathing. Inhale from your abdomen. Exhale from your abdomen. अभी हम लोग अपने लंग्स का भी पूरा यूज नहीं करते हैं. वी डू नॉट ब्रीद एट ऑल. So try to breathe from your abdomen. Inhale from the abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now keep your right hand on the abdomen. Put your left hand on the chest. Okay? अभी क्या करना है? पहले inhale कीजिए. See that your belly is rising. Again inhale. Okay, 2 times you have to inhale. And then feel that your chest is rising with the second breath. Okay, inhale, fill your abdomen. Again inhale, fill your chest. And exhale. Inhale, fill your abdomen. पेट को फुलाइए. Again inhale, fill your chest. आपका chest ऊपर जा रहा है. Exhale. Exhale. Chest is going down, belly is going down. Again inhale from the belly. Inhale from the chest. Exhale. Inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Exhale. Inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Exhale. This time, 3 times you have to inhale. Okay, inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Again, take a pause. After pause, again inhale. Then exhale. Okay, inhale, fill your abdomen. Inhale, fill your chest. Take a pause. Again, inhale. See that your shoulder level is rising when you are inhaling third time. And then exhale. Inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Pause. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fill your belly. Fill your chest. Again, take a pause. Inhale. Relax. Inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Pause. Again, inhale. Fill your shoulder region. And exhale. Last round. Inhale, fill your belly. Inhale, fill your chest. Inhale, fill your shoulder. Exhale. Now release your hands, relax, release all the efforts. Keep your eyes closed, nose pointed to the ceiling. Relax yourself completely, hands to the sides of the body, not touching the body, palms up, facing the sky, toes pointed to the ceiling, nose pointed to the ceiling. Body is completely relaxed on the mat. Slowly move your focus to the right side of the body. Name the body part which I am saying mentally and relax it. Suppose if I am saying right hand thumb, mentally say right hand thumb and relax right hand thumb. I am saying the names of the parts of the body. You have to move your awareness from one part to the another. Right hand thumb, tip of the index finger, tip of the middle finger. Relax, tip of the ring finger, tip of the little finger. Right palm, right wrist. Right hand, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder. There is so much burden on your shoulder. Relax. Right armpit, right side, right waist, right hip, right thigh, right knee. Relax it. Right calf muscle, right ankle, right foot, toes, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, sole of the feet, complete right leg. Relax. Complete right side of the body. Relax. Now move your awareness to the left side of the body. Left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left palm, left wrist, left hand, left elbow, upper arm, shoulders, left armpit, left side, waist, left hip bone, left thigh, left knee, left calf muscle, left ankle, left foot, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, complete left side of the body. Relax. Now focus on the back side of the body. Focus on the areas which are touching the mat. Right buttock, left buttock, lower back, middle back, upper back. Relax your back. Back side of the neck. Back side of the head. Relax. Now focus on the front side of the body. Lower abdomen. Navel center. Inhale. Exhale. Chest centers. Inhale. Exhale. Right side of the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Again, chest center. Inhale. Exhale. Left side of the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Chest center. Inhale. Exhale. Throat center. Inhale. Exhale. Chin. Right cheek. Left cheek. Right ear. Left ear. Lower lip. Upper lip. Right nostril. Left nostril. Complete nose. Right eye. Left eye. Both the eyes together. Right eyebrow. Left eyebrow. Both the eyebrows together. Eyebrow center. Inhale. Relax. Complete forehead. Crown of the head. Crown of the head. Crown of the head. Complete right hand. Complete right leg. Complete left hand. Complete left leg. Complete back. Complete front. Complete face. Complete body. Complete body. Complete body. Relax. Now, with each inhalation, feel that your aura is rising, your body is expanding. And when you're exhaling, it is coming to the normal. When you're inhaling, your aura is becoming larger and larger. And when you're exhaling, it is coming to the normal. Feel it for a few breaths. Again, inhale. Exhale. Your aura is coming to the normal. You're merging with the infinite. See that your aura is rising that much. At this stage of mind, make any resolution you want to change in your life. जो भी आप अपने लाइफ में करना चाहते हो वो संकल्प लीजिए और 3 बार दोहराइए. Anything in life can fade, but the resolution made during yoga nidra can never fade. जो भी आपका रेजोल्यूशन है उसको मन में 3 बार दोहराइए इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस. ऐसा नहीं कि होगा या हो चुका है, करना है तो it is happening like that. I am happy, I am successful. Like that, you have to say your sankalpa. You should have a sankalpa. Feel the fulfillness of that sankalpa. जो आपने संकल्प लिया है वो पूरा हो चुका है ऐसा अनुभव कीजिए और उस खुशी को महसूस कीजिए जो खुशी आपको वो संकल्प के पूरा होने से होगी. That feel that happiness in your mind. Feel the happiness spreading throughout the universe. The fulfillment of your dreams. आपका जो संकल्प है पूरा होने की खुशी, पूरा जश्न उसका पूरा यूनिवर्स मना रहा है, पूरा ब्रह्मांड उस खुशी को सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. Everybody is happy because you have fulfilled your dream. Feel that happiness. You are a bliss. You are blessed. Again, bring your awareness to the breath. With this happy state of mind, slowly move your fingers, move your toes, twist to the right side of the body. बॉडी को राइट साइड घुमाएंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड की मदद से ऊपर उठेंगे, आंखें बंद, हाथ को जोड़ लीजिए. Chant after me. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम्. हरि ओम तत्सत. हरि ओम तत्सत. Hari Om Tat Sat. Be grateful to your family, your friends, this Mother Earth, Mother Nature, Mother Ganga. Be grateful and thankful to your parents, to each and everyone near you. Your kids also. Thank to them also. Rub your palms. Generate heat. Cup your eyes. Feel the warm sensation in your eyes. Looking through the gaps of the fingers of your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much.